Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PagerDuty AI incident summaries and timelines, full guide step by step clearly. To backup PagerDuty AI incident summaries and timelines, start by logging into your PagerDuty account. Navigate to the incident you wish to backup. Once you've selected the incident, locate the summary and timeline sections. Copy the text from the incident summary by highlighting it and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C. Open a text editing application of your choice. Paste the copied summary into the text editor using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Next, scroll down to the timeline section of the incident. Similarly, highlight the timeline entries you want to backup. Use the same keyboard shortcut to copy the timeline entries. Return to your text editor and paste the timeline into the same document. Make sure to format your document for clarity and ease of reading. Consider adding date and timestamps for better organization. Once you have finished pasting all necessary information, save the document. Choose a descriptive file name that indicates the incident's details. Select an appropriate file format for your backup, such as .txt or .docs. Finally, store the document in a secure location, either locally on your device or in a cloud storage service. Review your saved document to ensure all information is intact and complete. Your backup of the PagerDuty AI incident summary and timelines is now successfully created. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.